Wow, I cannot believe that this first course is finished and we are about to start our next course. I have learned so much from everyone in the class and I can't wait to get to know everyone better. I thought I'd start with this quote because it really is so true, and as teachers we will inspire many young children to find their passion that one day may be their profession. I think we're all so lucky on this journey to have found our passion, and part of my why is to inspire the passions in all children, no matter where they see themselves going. This final reflection really made me look back on my journey and reinforced how far I have come as a person and how much I have and want to give to the teaching profession. I'm so excited to learn so much more and to get stuck right in. This course reinforced so much about something I'm so passionate about, and it sparked a desire to continue to learn and grow into the teaching profession. The importance of building relationships with children, their families, and the colleagues I will work with is something I'm deeply passionate about, because we also all have our own history and story, and we all deserve to be listened to and included. We all deserve to have fun and to be silly at times, and children need to be given the opportunity to do this. I thought I would share this poem because it is one that resonates deeply with me, and finding our passions and then nurturing the growth of the children we are so fortunate to be able to teach. We have the opportunity to nurture children's growth and development, to teach them respect for others, and to ignite their passions. This course helped me learn more about how to work with different types of children, how to work with individual children and with the class as a whole, which professional dispositions I have and which ones I need to work on, and to stand by the code of ethics at all times. This poem by Dana Folds was read to me by a yoga instructor when I was in Melbourne last year. Lead me to the song of my heart and help me sing it unashamed. Help me stand before you in bare consciousness, unflinching in your light. Lead me to the expression of my soul in all its fullness. Let me embrace my humanity, yet be anchored in divinity. Help me unfetter the joy that I am. Lead me to the stillness of my soul, where love and union dwell as one. May I uplift others in the recognition of their magnificence. May I see the vastness of my own soul and embrace it unafraid and whole. I think it's so important to remember, as teachers we give so much, yet we need to also take time for ourselves to reflect and understand how important we are in the lives of so many children. Last year, when I began my journey towards becoming a teacher, I was asked to complete a 5-page philosophy of education. How on earth I was meant to do that, I don't know, but I somehow managed to succeed, and I've actually really enjoyed rereading it in preparation for this reflection. My educational philosophy is a mix of quite a few things. I believe essentialism and existentialism are important for the understanding of how the world came to be. The basics, including math, English, reading, writing, history, culture, and so on, are important because these set children up to excel in all their future learning. I also have elements of progressivism in my philosophy through giving children opportunities to work collaboratively and for teachers to create a safe and encouraging classroom environment so every child feels able to learn. Existentialism came into the mix because teachers give children's learning meaning and give them the freedom to make and take responsibility for that learning. I thought I would also finish with a quote, not something I usually do, but Jen has certainly inspired us to look outside our normal comfort zones of what we would be creative with, and so this is what I found. Life itself is your teacher, and you are in a state of constant learning. I think it's so important for teachers because we are always learning. We continue to learn new ways to teach children, and we continue to learn from the children that we teach. I think this is an awesome quote to finish with, and I just want to say that I'm really proud of myself, and I'm really proud that I'm on this journey with the women in this cohort. I've learned so much from everybody, and I can't wait to work further towards our futures.